Welcome back to my lecture series. This is Muthuminal R, Assistant Professor from the Department of Agricultural Engineering at SNS College of Technology. Today we'll see the topic on effects of inversion on temperature that comes under the unit atmosphere and its components under the subject climate change and adaptation that has been offered for the students of final year 7th semester. Before going into the session, let us have a small recap on the previous lecture series, what and all we have seen. We have seen what is atmosphere, what are the layers of atmosphere, what are the properties of atmosphere, that is physical and chemical properties, what are vertical structure, what is atmospheric stability, and what is temperature inversion. Today we'll see the effects of temperature inversion. The temperature inversion the usually happens under most circumstances. The temperature of the atmosphere decreases with height, meaning it gets colder the higher you go. However, this kind of temperature inversion occurs when the atmosphere actually becomes warmer as altitude increases. As I have shown here at the pictograph, initially at the normal condition, the warm air will be surrounding at the lowest part of the atmosphere. But when there is a temperature inversion, then what happens here in the sense the warm air acts as a blanket so that the cold air will not get escaped. This typically occurs within a defined layer of the atmosphere, making them a major impact on air pollution and air quality. Temperature inversion happens of two types. One is permanent and surface, and each corresponds to a different impact. So the permanent inversions occur high above the surface of the planet. In regard to air pollution, the most important of these is the stratosphere. This atmospheric layer stretches from an average of 7 miles to 31 miles above the Earth's surface. The stratosphere sits at the top of the troposphere, which is the lowest layer of the atmosphere and home to the majority of all weather. So this temperature inversion impacts global long-term air pollution. Here I have shown you the effect of temperature inversion under the normal situation and also under the effects. So this is the assessment question for today's session. What is temperature inversion? Make sure that you are prepared of this assessment question so that we'll have a discussion on the next class. The effect of temperature inversion under the kind surface inversion. Surface temperature inversions usually occurs directly above the Earth's surface in the lower troposphere. They are frequently triggered by rapid surface cooling caused by the release of radiant energy overnight, and these inversions are frequent during winter months when nights are long and the sun are low on the horizon, and which results in the impact on local short-term air pollution. As I have shown you, the effect on climb and descent happens during this kinds of surface inversions. The atmospheric effect that is involved under the effects of temperature inversion are it affects the air pollution because they change the dynamics of air movement. When the warm air rises in the atmosphere because it is less dense and therefore more beyond than the cooler air, then this tendency will rise up to the vertical development found in the thunderstorms. This kind of temperature inversion prevents the vertical movement, and also it is known as convection, and this stated differently like an atmospheric lid or a blanket where the smothering effect traps air pollutants and allows their concentrations to increase. Here I have shown you an example of valley and mountain breezes where the warming mountsiders happens to happen due to the temperature inversion. So the air pollution effects happen due to the pollutants produced by vehicles, fires and industrial activities. The harmful ozone by sunlight, which reduces the air quality, have been converted with the help of hydrocarbons and nitrogen oxides present at the trapped pollutants. This trapped pollutants within the stable layer will help us to typically inject high into the atmosphere by volcanic eruptions at the vertical mixing providing the convection. These gases remain suspended within the inversion layer and result in a long-term impact on the global climate. So here we also have to know the effect as of consideration of these kinds of greenhouse gases that happens due to the temperature inversions. So the inversion of the atmosphere in the lower atmosphere happens due to these conditions, and during winter it is in greater state. So this is what I have prepared for today's class. I have also added a reference video. If you guys have any kinds of doubt and anything, you guys can contact me anytime. See you at the next class. Thank you.